So it's your girl j.sym back with it, you feel me? And in this video I'm just going to show you how I take care of my 30-inch HD transparent lace wig by Elfin Hair. It's a closure wig. Oh, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do that. And if you want to see how I take care of this wig, then just stay tuned and keep on watching. So it's wash day for my wig, and I love wig wash days so much better than my natural hair wash days. But yeah, I pretty much wash my wig every 2 weeks, and here I used a co-wash. I hardly shampoo my wig just because like it's not healthy for your natural hair, so why would it be healthy for your wig, especially being that your wig does not develop its own like oils or anything. So if I feel like my wig is really dirty, that's when I use a shampoo. But for the most part, I'm good with a co-wash. And like, I prefer co-washes that are not just conditioner, that are actually like made to be co-washes, because I like the way that they still lather, but you know, they're still maintaining the natural moisture of the hair. Because when you just use a conditioner to co-wash your hair, you're not actually washing off the dirt and debris, and so it could cause buildup. If you're wondering why does my wig feel and look like it's not clean even after I wash my wig? And most likely that's your issue right there. Okay, look, so boom, so you know, good old silicone mix, and they actually have like all these different versions now, and so I'm using the bamboo mostly just because I wanted to try something different, and it doesn't have as strong as a smell as the original. And so I am, if you haven't noticed already, I am product heavy. Like, I use so much product, like I have to feel the product, see the product, you know, everything. But for the most part, I just want to make sure it gets all over all of the hair. Silicone mix is pretty much my holy grail for all of my wigs and weaves. Anytime I'm washing it, for the most part, I'm going to use silicone mix as my conditioner. And you know, anytime my wigs feel like they need to be restored, you know, I'm going to use that boiling water method with the silicone mix, period, always, every time. I am not entirely sure what I was trying to show y'all here, but I know I mentioned in my update on my review how the lace, you can see it frays just a little bit at the ends. Pretty sure that has something to do with it being HD lace, but whatever, I think that's what I was showing y'all. So of course you want to detangle to make sure all your conditioners throughout the hair, also to make sure that the hair is detangled. And I got this idea from Shalyn here on YouTube. I don't know if any of y'all are subscribed to her, but she puts her wigs in a ball when she's letting them condition, which makes all the most sense. And so I stole the idea from her. And this is all the hair that's shed. A little bit more will come out once I comb it after I get done rinsing it, but that's not much at all. And so I went and ate and stuff, and I probably let the wig sit about like an hour and a half before I started rinsing out the conditioner. That's what I'm doing here. Yeah, not much hair shed at all considering it's a 250 density wig. Yeah, I have a whole wig stand, so I don't know why I decided to make this even harder for myself. I feel like Creme got all the gems. I got this 7-in-1 treatment that detangles and conditions. It's heat protection, breakage defense, controls frizz, moisturizes, prevents split end, and adds shine. And don't mind how afflicted I am when it comes to bracing myself and spraying the bottle, because for some reason that is so hard for me. The Granier fructis Sleek and Shine collection is also one of my go-to for my weaves and wigs. I also have the oil. I didn't use it this time, but yeah, it's another holy grail. don't forget to hit them ends because that be the driest part and most susceptible to damage and split ends, and that ain't cute. To be completely and utterly transparent and honest, I don't know if this helps all that much. I know it doesn't hurt, but I like to use it since I have straight hair and it makes me feel like the hair is staying straight as it can. And I like to use a rat tail comb to finish combing the product through the hair, as well as to get it as sleeked and detangled as I can, because when I let it air dry, it pretty much dries that straight. And so look at that luster. But yeah, I'm gonna let it air dry overnight and I'll be back in the morning. I pretty much just use mousse to lay down the closure. I also have a glueless frontal install, but I pretty much use the same technique. If you haven't seen that, make sure you check that out. So I tie my closure down so it can set while I'm flat ironing my hair, but clearly I had a brain fart. Yeah, I'm just brushing it so I can really get into this hair. It really is nice quality. And if you haven't seen the initial review or my 4-month update, make sure you check those videos out. I'll have the links in the description box below. But yeah, I'm just about to flat iron the hair now. This is not really a flat ironing, straightening hair tutorial. I'm really just trying to show y'all how it does with heat and how it takes the flat iron, all that. If you want to see how I finish styling and making the wig blend, make sure you stay tuned to the end of the video. I hope it was helpful to you. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos like this and many others.